The creativity is something that really drives me. More and more I've been attracted to the problem solving, especially in interior architecture. My name's Maya Guppy Hall and I'm in my honours year of interior architecture at UNSW. Disciplines of the built environment are so inextricably linked. So Luminocity is a pop-up exhibition space culminating the works of all the disciplines from the built environment and how they work together and kind of culminate into the built environment that we inhabit. We have worked hard to provide a space that documents the design process of each discipline. It's been an incredible opportunity to do that at Hassel because they are an interdisciplinary firm. Each of us who are from a different discipline at UNSW, gaining professional experience, this placement is the best possible opportunity to do that. The team here is so welcoming and so diverse. The girls that I'm teamed up with, everyone is incredibly motivated and excited by the project. We really want to define the linkages and show that process and how that shapes our cities and how it will shape future cities for the better.